Well, I started the mastermind training because I was in a point in my business that we were growing, but we didn't have a proper direction of where we were going, and also didn't have structure to be able to grow. So when we started the training, I had that intention to grow the business without having the stress of not knowing what to do. Shift for me during the training was the fact that I was able to handle materials for my cleaners and having basically more of a format, more structure to be able to run the business smoothly and really grow in a way that I didn't expect to be growing in that fast, but also in an easier, more efficient way. Well, during the training, I was very busy with clients and I needed to hire an assistant. And because I learned about the programs, the systems, and how I could teach her and train her in a more efficient way. And I was able to do that very fast, and it's been great. I would say if the person is doing the training for the first time and sometimes they will have a doubt and not sure why they're doing or whether they should do or not, I would say, especially if you're starting a business, you most likely will be struggling a lot doing everything by yourself. So if you have a guidance from a training like this, you will be able to start your business and you have the structure, you have everything in place for you to not only start your business successfully, but also grow your business without having not knowing what to do and having to search for things. I think it's very helpful for anybody that's starting their business. Especially because we also had the meetings every Wednesday, and Michelle and the team, they really helped me with, sometimes I had questions about my own business and they were able to help me get through some of those challenges, and it was amazing, really great. For 5 years, I didn't have systems in place. I mean, a lot of was me working by myself, a lot in my head. I had a lot of to-do lists, but I didn't really have systems. And the systems just help you get organized. They just help you having everything in one place where you can look back. And especially if you're planning to hire other people and wanting to grow the business, you can't do everything by yourself. And the system really helps with the growth of the business. Well, I recommend people to join the Mastermind training if they are starting their business, they don't know where to start, or even if they have a business for a long time and they're getting to that point where they're growing the business, but they don't know how to get to and where to go to really guide them in the right direction. So I find that with the training, not only they're going to get the benefit of learning all the systems, but they also are going to have other entrepreneurs so they can share experiences and really learn a lot through that. Set time aside to do a little bit of the homework as well, and really invest your time into learning as much and putting the systems in place. Once you do that, you'll see the difference in your business right away.